key. Get your needle nose pliers or some kind of pliers that will grab the fuse. Find your pop hood latch. Mine happens to be right here. Just pull it. You'll hear a little click. Pop your hood. Locate your fuse box. Which would be right here, indicated by little fuse insignia, and instructions will say that's going to be on the back of the fuse box lid. Pop those little clips out, pull it up, and this one should pretty much just pop off. On the back is where you'll find what fuse goes where. You'll need your vehicle instruction manual to find the actual fuse, the actual fuse's purpose, but this shows you the location of the fuses. Here, take my needle nose pliers, grab the fuse like that, pull it out, check it out, inspect it. Looks good, no blown fuse, and we're going to reinstall. Reinstalled, and that's how you inspect your fuse.